Hello, my hair, icky. Oh, that's the wrong angle of camera. Um, as you guys know, my name, Florida Red, also known Jason. I have a girlfriend. Um, um, so as I said, as I said, um. I have a girlfriend, and guess what she's doing for my birthday? I hopefully will get birthday wishes on my birthday, which is May 15 to 2022. That's when my next birthday comes. Um also my birthday is May 15 to 2003. That's my birthday, isn't that right, Freg? But ba- Boss Baby back into business. Okay. I Girlfriend gonna make me some artwork. Yes. Isn't that right, Freg? Isn't that right, Freg? Haha. What's that? You thought it was coincidental that I have Freg right next to me because I'm talking about the artwork my girlfriend is making me for my birthday, and the artwork for my birthday has Freg as the main muse, main subject as her art. Wow, boyo, you sure have a pretty smart brain. That's for sure. What's that? I mean, yeah, you were pretty close on what Freg's doing. Freg's gonna dress up like a gang boss in the artwork, and he's gonna be sitting on a chair, cause that's what I requested. Yeah. What's that? Oh my God, you're so right. I do have a girlfriend.